Today, we're going to talk about the difference between legal separation and divorce in Arizona. Have you been thinking about living apart from your spouse, but you're not really sure if divorce is the right next step? In Arizona, legal separation might be an option. Let's break down the difference between legal separation and divorce so you can decide what's right for you. Hi, I'm Bryan Shaw. I've been practicing law in Arizona, specifically family law, for the last 12 years. One of the questions I hear a lot is, hey, what's the difference between a legal separation and a divorce? How does it really impact me? If you're not ready to legally end your marriage, but you need some structure, some support, and some space, legal separation really might be something to consider. So, what is a legal separation? So, in Arizona, a legal separation is a court order that allows you and your spouse to live separate lives. You're still legally married, but you're no longer financially tied to each other, meaning that you're not responsible for each other's debts or entitled to each other's future income. So, just like in a divorce, the court will still address things like parenting time and legal decision making, child support if you have young children. Spousal maintenance will still be addressed, and of course, the division of your personal assets and your debts. But again, you're still legally married. Divorce, on the other hand, officially ends the marriage and returns you to a single person. The court determines that the marriage is irretrievably broken and there's no reasonable prospect of reconciling. You're no longer married and you're free to remarry if you choose. The same legal issues are addressed: custody, finances, property, but the end result is slightly different. The court dissolves the marriage entirely. Remember, the court can give you permission to be married with that marriage license, and they have the power to make you single again. But why choose a legal separation over a divorce? For some couples, legal separation offers a reasonable middle ground. It might be the right path for religious reasons, to keep your insurance benefits, or just to create space to work through challenges. Sometimes it's the first step before a full divorce. In Arizona, you can actually convert a legal separation into a divorce later on if you choose to. Or, happily, if things improve and you get back together, you can dismiss that separation and just be legally married. Which one is right for you? All of that depends on what your goals are: emotional goals, financial goals, and of course, legal goals. Some couples want time apart without fully ending the marriage. Others know it's ready to move on and make that clean break. This is where good legal advice makes a real difference. Our team here can walk you through your unique situation, your facts in your life, and help you weigh the pros and cons based on those goals. If you're considering legal separation or divorce in Arizona, our team is here ready to help. We'll walk you through those options, answer those questions, and help make the best decision for you for your future. So please take a moment, reach out, and schedule a consultation with us anytime. And if this video was helpful, we've got some more resources right here on this channel or at bryanshawlaw.com. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.